Morning. I still can't believe that we saw aurora borealis yesterday. Arnie has not stopped talking about it, so we need to try and find it again. Hopefully it comes back tonight, because Herbie didn't see it and he was a bit gutted, because by the time he got ready to go up there it had gone. So this morning we're just heading to the car now and we are going on a reindeer sleigh ride. It's exciting, isn't it? Everybody's waiting in the car, look. Let's go.
So it's 9:30 in the morning. It's still quite dark. Oh, you can't see. Can you see? It's not very bright. We're on the way to the reindeer farm, and it's an hour and 45-minute drive. Getting everybody in the stuff, getting out of the house this morning was a challenge, not gonna lie. But we've made it and we're en route, so let's go and visit some reindeers. Look, there is massive.
That beast.
Oh my god, that is a lot of logs.
It's like Final Destination, isn't it?
Just trying to show you that the sun is rising and it is now 11 o'clock. Right, and you can see the sign, but we are arriving. We are 3 minutes away from the reindeer farm. So when we get there, I don't know, what are we doing? Just right, going for it.
We're going to see the reindeers, we're going to feed them, we're going to go on a ride on them, I think. It's like a farm.
I'm excited to feed the reindeers. What do you think reindeers eat, boys?
Reindeers will eat reindeer food. I know what they ate. There you go. Nom nom nom.
What do they eat?
Nom nom nom. Some kind of moss spots. Different. What makes them fly?
Oh, they eat some kind of moss that makes them fly. I don't know if these ones are flying reindeers.
They actually eat moss,
Do you,
though,
Dad?
he is right.
Is he right?
Yeah.
Are these ones flying?
I'm not sure if they fly or not.
Oh, Daddy, come and play on that.
So we've made it now to Arkadia, to the reindeer ride.
It's a bit warm here. It's -13. So we're going to get ourselves togged up, and I made the mistake of putting too much on for the car journey, so it's been like being in a cocoon. But see if we can find a coffee and find some reindeers.
It looks so exciting. Oh my word, Annie, look what there is here. Antlers.
This is like the egg contest.
I heard. Was that a big yawn, that? Was that a tired face? Kids have found a massive slide. This could be interesting. A little look. More chance of falling down the other side, I think. Oh, he's made it. He's made it. Come on then, I'm ready for you. Come off here like a rocket. Yeah, go. That's a look me off here. Oh, he's going to hit a snowdrift.
He is. Hello. His name is Rudolph. Hi, Rudolph.
Hello, Rudolph.
Nice to meet you.
Where is Rudolph?
Annie?
We're going. I don't know. I think we're going on one of these.
You think you're going on this? On a sleigh?
The reindeer's eating his dinner.
Look. Hi, Polo. Hiya. Ooh, yeah.
Can't see.
We're on our sled and we are going for a walk, aren't we, Annie? Look, we can't go to the kids.
So we've just finished the reindeer ride and experience at Arkadia Reindeer Farm, and I'll leave with mixed feelings. Like I have enjoyed it, and the reindeers are lovely. I'm not going to say it's exactly as it's advertised on the website for the experience. So we had the little reindeer ride, which was quite short, but it was really lovely through some forests. And actually, because it is so cold, I don't know if you could have sat for a really long run, but I would have liked one a little bit longer. It's slow, it's literally walking distance. Then we went inside and had like a traditional Finnish pastry and some juice, which were nice in this little hut with a fire. So yeah, overall we've had a lovely, nice up close encounter with reindeers. It said on the thing that we booked that you got to feed them, and we didn't get to do that. A little bit like confusion, you know, like whether we were booked in because they changed the time of his booking. But I did enjoy the reindeer ride, and I did enjoy the fun facts about reindeers. I'll do you a fun fact video when we get in the car. Anyway, we've just come out the reindeer thing, and there were only me that listened to the reindeer talk, but I thought it were interesting, so I'm going to share some of my fun facts that I've retained with you. So when reindeers lose and grow the horns every year, brand new set every year, right? When they first come through, they're all velvety soft, and then they're actually made out of bone, so they turn hard. When the reindeer first grows them his very first year, they just stick straight like that, no spiky bits off them. And then the next year they've got like a couple of spiky bits, and by year 3 they are the actual spiky pattern that his horns will always be. So then he's got his pattern, and they're how his horns are always going to look. So even when they grow bigger, they're still going to be in that pattern. And then they continue growing up to year 10, and we saw some 10-year-old reindeer horns. They were like moose horns. They were the biggest, thickest things I've ever seen. Can't imagine carrying them around on my head. And then they start to get smaller after that. So the boy reindeer lives for a maximum 15 years, and after 10 years his horns start to get smaller because his hormones that make it grow sort of start to deplete. Girl reindeers, so they grow their horns, then the mating season is in September, and they can get pregnant for like a month and a half. If they don't get pregnant, the horns fall off. So they only keep them if they are pregnant, and I guess that's to like protect the baby. So I thought that was quite cool. And then so the reindeers are not farmed, they don't live in the farm, and they're not looked after all year round. They just release them into the woodlands, right? And then they make the way back to where they live when it gets to winter time, because they know where the good food is. So they all just get released and they just wander around free, just like free roaming. So how you can mark that they're yours is they cut a little bit of their ear off in a pattern when they're babies, which sounds grim, but she said it didn't bother them. Just their ears were right soft. And you cut it in your pattern, and then you know that that's your reindeer, so nobody else can nick your reindeers. Then you just let them all out. Just, out you go. And then they'll bring themselves back.
Must not have a Facebook group around here for loose reindeers.
Must not have a Facebook group for your reindeers up road. Your reindeers up road. Maybe that's the key, Chad. Don't bother with fences, just let them out.
Cut their ears and let them out, yeah.
Put a tag on saying Honkers Farm, let them out and they'll come back. Look, the sun's going down now and the sky's like pinky, yellowy, greeny, bluey. I don't know what them little wooden things are. It's really pretty.
The sun's literally been up for 4 hours.
Yeah.
something like that. Maybe 5. We're just stopping off here at the services. Look at the JCB. Look at that beast.
Now we've come for a little pit stop. Need to get some food. Yeah. What we can get. Hi guys, do you want to look at these Smarties? They're really cool. My mummy likes them, don't you, Mum?
Yeah, they're well good.
She's just done. I don't know what she's done. She made herself a coffee and managed to tip it all the way over the side. Honestly. We're having a burger in the services before we head back, and Herbie wants Sunday dinner on a Friday.
Right, we've just come out of the burger place. We had 2 burgers, 3 chicken nuggets, a coffee, a water and an orange juice, and then Annie had some little smarty things, and it was €63. So the service stations was spenny. It was nice. Like the service station, it wasn't like a service station cafe that we have at home. It looked more like a restaurant inside. It was quite pretty, wooden. Do you know what I mean? Toilets were really clean, but they've got these weird things that you're like, I can only assume it looks like a long, thin shower head, right? And they're next to all the toilets, and I can only assume that you use it to wash your bum when you've had a poo. Like, who would ever use a service station one of them? Like, who would wash the bum with the stick that's been up everybody else's bum?
I don't think they stick it up the bum.
It was a bit too close for my liking. I wouldn't want my bumhole to be that close to anybody else's bumhole, like especially not a random bumhole. I can't think of any like that. That icks me right out. I'm not gonna lie, but it was clean in there. Other side, I didn't touch the stick, obviously.
No.
So we're on his way back now, and it is dark. It is dark.
So we brought the boys to see if we can get them a skiing lesson. It's probably the coldest skiing place I've ever been to. I think we went to Canada once, didn't we? And it were about -15. But this is absolute next level. My moustache is freezing up already. So this place is called Ounasvaara, I believe, and that's the ski resort. I think there's quite a few runs actually. There's like a little fun play area. I'm just working out whether the kids actually fancy having a lesson or not. Because that was pretty cool. Right, you get 5 points for guessing which kid has jumped out of his ring and is going round on his belly. Did you guess right? Of course you did. Is that funny, Polo? So we just tried to book a lesson for Herbie. Herbie's going to try skiing, which is super cool. He fancies giving it a go, so we booked a lesson. We're going to come back on Tuesday and we're going to see if we can learn how to ski, aren't we? And then maybe we can have a little go with Daddy on the slopes.
Not in the big. Look at him over there.
Yeah, should we turn the camera around? There's somebody right on the jump up there. Watch, coming over that hill in a second. Watching. Watch. See? Watch the big one. He's going to do the big jump now. Ready? Ready? Whoa! Can you see that? We're just walking up the hill and we think that the Northern Lights were out again. We just had a quick look through those phones and it were, but it's quite light here. So we're just going to walk up to where we saw them last night and see if we can see them again, because Herbie were desperate to see him. He didn't actually get to see him yesterday, so hopefully we can see him tonight.
I've hit a snowdrift.
Ho, ho, ho! I don't know if I'm reindeer or Santa. And he's won. Herbie's still up the hill. I can confirm it's cold, and no, that isn't snot. That is, I don't know what it is, breath. Oh, bloody hell.
I'm going to...
They're off! Oh! Where's the baby? There she is! Hiya! Who's the bigger kid? Oh, you've got a right glow on your face.
I nearly smashed into that snowdrift down there. I thought I'll lay down and see if I go faster. Turns out the whole weight gravity thing set off like shit off a stick.
So not a recommended activity then?
No, sit up.
So I'm not joking you, right? You do all the excursions in the world, and actually, all the kids want to do is go down a slope on a sled.
Can recommend, to be fair.
When I say kids, I mean like wives as well.
Me.
Don't go on that. See ya. Herbie's been refusing to wear a hat. Gonna see what it looks like. Hang on, I need a good shot of your hair. You look like an old man.
I'm not.
You've gone grey.
Right, we've just got back to the lodge, just jumped in the shower and got his pyjamas on. We're all super tired. Herbie wants a chicken dinner for his dinner, so Daddy's cooking a chicken dinner. And we're going to go to bed. Tomorrow we're at the winter park, which is ice skating, snowmobiling, skidooing and ice karting. So we'll see you tomorrow.